Satiation index is a secret to weight loss in 2020. In 1995, they put different foods to the test to see which one was the best in terms of satiation. They got 240 calories of a variety of foods, and surprise, surprise, boiled potatoes in this test got rated 7 times more satiating than the lowest food, which was a croissant. And what they showed was if you had 240 calories of boiled potatoes, you were 7 times more satiated than 240 calories of a croissant. Now you can see why when someone comes on a whole food, plant-based lifestyle, they've eliminated the animal products, they've eliminated the oils, they eat a whole plant food lifestyle, they can eat a lot more food and weigh less because the food is more satiating compared to that of processed refined foods.